Good day everyone, I'm Jericho Iman R. Velasco from Pateros Technological College. First year and my course is Certificate in Hotel and Restaurant Management. This subject is Operations Management in Tourism and Hospitality Industry under Ma'am Tabano. So since wala po akong kasama rito sa bahay and kahit mga kaibigan ko po is chinat ko kaso puro may pasok sa school at work, ako na lang po mag-isa magdi-discuss. Ang ibig sabihin po ng SMART methodology is S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, and A stands for achievable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for time bound. So, tactical plan. Objective: increase weekday lunchtime revenue by 15% within the next 3 months. Specific: offer weekday lunch specials focusing on office specialists inside a 5-mile sweep of the eatery, centering on speedy benefit and reasonable costs. Next is measurable. Track day-by-day lunchtime deals and client input to gauge the adequacy of the specials. Next is achievable. Alter staffing levels and kitchen operations to oblige expanded lunchtime activity. Contribute in promoting endeavors to advance the lunch specials through social media, email campaigns, and neighborhood publicizing. Next is relevant. Expanding weekday lunch income will offer assistance boost buy and large deals and productivity for the eatery. And lastly, the T stands for time bound. Accomplish in the 15% increment in weekday lunchtime income inside the following 3 months, with week after week advanced audits to evaluate execution. So now let's proceed to the SMART methodology of strategic plan. So the objective of strategic plan is establish the restaurant as a neighborhood dining destination and increase customer loyalty by implementing a loyalty program and enhancing the dining experience. So now I will discuss the SMART methodology of strategic plan. Specific: dispatch a dependability program advertising rewards for visits and referrals. Progress the climate and decor of the eatery to make a inviting air. Now let's move to measurable. Track enrollment within the devotion program, rehash client visits, and client fulfillment score. Next is achievable. Create a dependability program framework and prepare staff to advance it to clients. Contribute in remodels and overhauls to upgrade the feasting environment. So next, move to relevant. Building client dependability and improving the feasting involvement will offer assistance, separate the eatery from competitors, and drive long-term victory. And last, the time bound. Dispatch the devotion program and total eatery remodels inside the another 6 months, with continuous assessment of program viability and client criticism. Once again, I'm Jericho Iman R. Velasco from Pateros Technological College, CHRM 1B, and I am done discussing my tactical and strategical plan using SMART methodology. Thank you po.